Hey guys, well, welcome to my channel. My name is Tiara. You can go ahead and call your girl T. I just want to give the rundown on what my channel is about. I am 26 years old. I have 3 kids. I have a daughter who is 3 and I have twin boys who are 1. So yeah, your girl popped them out back to back and here we are. On my channel, I like to talk about a lot of things. I like to empower women. I like to keep it real with y'all. We do chit chat videos, we do makeup looks, we do DIY projects, I do mommy vlogs. I really just like to incorporate YouTube into my life and bring people along the journey with me as I'm still trying to figure things out and learn this whole mom thing while also keeping it cute, okay? If you guys want to be a part of this journey and join the family, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have some great videos for you guys to watch that I have a playlist for if you are new to kind of just like get the vibe of me and if you like this or not. I love interacting with my subscribers and I really have built a relationship with a lot of them and like they're literally my friends now, my online friends. So I look forward to talking to you in the comments down below. If you want to be a part of my family, go ahead, take the time and hit that subscribe button because I know you want to. I'll respond to all of my comments, so make sure you go ahead and let me know that you are a new subby and we will get it cracking in the convo down below. Let's be besties. Can't wait to hear from you guys and welcome to the fam.